I'm Lauren. I'm one of the directors of Magic's Mission. We are thrilled to be part of this Open Houses for a Cause, the Maiden Voyage. And you're going to see some really cool dogs, and you can stop by and grab some hot dogs. So
awesome.
We hope that you'll be here. Thank you so much.
And what type of dogs do we have today?
We have Barkley as a foxhound, and we also have Bruce, who will be here shortly, and he's a yellow lab mix.
Awesome, awesome. And we're going to do everything we can to get the attention to these beautiful dogs to get them into a lovely home.
Thank you so much, John.
You're very welcome. And over here we have my friend and awesome loan officer, Mr. Brian Belser from Guaranteed Rate. Hey, Brian.
Hey, John. How are you?
Good, my friend. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
That's good. Getting ready to cook up a hot dog storm?
Let's cook up a hot dog storm.
All right. What do we got here today, my friend?
Salads. We have the famous Costanzo rolls.
All right.
Got a variety of snacks and a full cooler full of beverages ready to go for everybody.
All right. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Come here. Hi. Claire, tell us what makes Magic's Mission so special for you, and tell us who you have here.
I have Bruce here. He is about 6 years old. I think Magic's Mission is great because they take dogs that maybe just need a little love and probably do a little bit better inside of home rather than at a shelter, and they give dogs a second chance. So that's what makes me think that Magic's Mission is really special.
That's awesome, and correct me if I'm wrong, but you came from Rochester today, right?
She did, yeah.
She
Bruce.
came a long way with Bruce. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
All right, and who do we have here?
My name is Jessica, and this is Barkley. Barkley's learning to live in his first home, and he's a great dog. He's always happy. He gets along with kids, adults, other dogs, cats, probably anything with legs. And I love to foster because I love animals, and giving these dogs a second chance is just something that makes me feel like I'm doing something.
That's awesome. Come here, Bruce.